down. And do the right side, lift it all the way up. It's a little stuck on the right side. Okay, good. Put it down. You good? Lay on this side. Facing me. Yep. Lay on your side more. Completely on your side. There we go. You working? Okay, gotcha. This goes here, this goes here. Bend this. Remember this one from last time? Big noise. Arm, switch. Hold this. Take a nice deep breath in. And drop this. Go down, John. You okay with that? Face down on your stomach. That was a big noise. Good release. Drop those arms down. Make sure you're comfortable. Good. Lift that right side up. All the way up now. The right side like did. A lot freer. That's good. Put it down. Good. So this area. You okay with this? Move down a little bit, like shrug, move your body down just a little bit. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go in here and do. This area goes right to your nerves that supply your lungs. So take a nice deep breath in and let your air all the way out. Relax this down, follow you down. That was awesome. That didn't hurt at all, did it?
Nope.
Okay, good. Perfect. Take a nice deep breath in. And let your air all the way out. Jet down, down. Good. Nice little release. Perfect. Flip over. On your back. Flat on your back. Stay right there. Take a nice deep hand on your stomach for me. Good. Let's get your feet straight. Put your foot nice. There we go. Perfect. Take a nice deep breath in and relax. A little tight there. So this upper cervical area is called the atlas and axis, right underneath your brainstem. Very, very important area to get adjusted. Not there, not right there. Good. Got this. Good. Breathe in and all the way out. Drop this. Head down. Good. One more. Last one. Breathe in. And all the way out. You okay with that?
I feel amazing.
Good, that's what we're looking for. Sit up facing the diplomas, sitting all the way up. You know, yep, sit up facing this way. Sit right here for me. Just facing that way. Perfect. Sit up straight. Sit away, all the way. And out. Chin down. And out. So this is called a proprioceptive adjustment. You have a lot of nerve endings back here. This is stimulating those nerve endings. Tell your body that better posture. Good. Take a nice deep breath in and let it out. Okay, cool. All right, we're done with the adjustment part. Let's do your ankle now. So you can put your top back on. So and we'll go into the other room. Cool. What's that?